This is Lenovo Tab P11 Gen 2, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can download and install the GCam application on it. So to start, you will need to open the Google search engine or any other search that you use regularly. Yeah, just always go with Google, and well, that's convenient for me. Then at the search bar, type in the GCam query. Among the search results, usually I go for this one. Then at the web page, go for the suggested versions. Then expand the most recent instance of the port, or well, Google Camera App, and download the newest, the most updated version of the app. From here, choose any of those files. Some of them can work for you, some of them don't, so you might want to try a few of them before finding the particular port that works in your case. So then we will need to, well, wait for a little while for this file to get downloaded. Well, 1 hour seems to be too much if you ask me. So let me see if I can reconnect myself to some other Wi-Fi network perhaps and expedite this process somehow. Alrighty, so I've reconnected myself to other Wi-Fi networks, so let's see if this will increase the Wi-Fi or, well, overall internet speed, and well, it actually does. So now we'll wait for the APK file to get downloaded, and then we will continue. Alrighty, now we can go ahead and open the file, which will lead to the Google Camera App installation. So now we'll wait for the app to get installed. Once the app is ready, you can launch it, and in here simply give all the permissions and accesses that it asks for, and you can start using it. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.